Welcome to another week of online school, grade 3. Before I start, I would like to share a Bible verse with you. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. If I say, surely the darkness will hide me, and the light become night around me. Even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like the day, for darkness is as light to you. Psalm 139, verse 7 to 12. The reason I found this Bible verse is because I want to show you how God thinks about where you are at. And he not only just sit there and watch you, but he keeps his hand on you. So throughout this week, whether you're hiding under your bed or hiking the top of the mountain, know that God is right there with you. So we're starting a new unit. You just finished a tangram. You finished doing the perspective drawing. So what are we doing next? Now your grade has been amazing with handing in your work. I have almost everybody's work handed in. So great job, grade 3. So I want you to look at these flowers. Now we're looking at it from a bird's eye view, meaning that we're looking at the flower from the top. Now you can see all the flower has like a circle shape, and the petals are divided in different sections, and it's laid out based on a circle shape. So that is our thinking and our artwork for this unit, is radial design. If you look at these flowers, these are God-made flowers, and they are beautiful. They might not be exactly symmetrical, but it is based on that radial design that helps create that pattern with colors and shapes. People have used those type of design throughout the year. So this is, can you tell what it is? It's actually, if you look up at some buildings or churches, you will see windows in radial design. So this is a window, probably in a church. Here is another one. So the artists here have not only used the radial design, they also use different shapes and colors to highlight the design. So this is what a radial design looks like. Even though this is a square paper, it comes out from the center and it divides out into different triangles throughout the square. And that is what you are going to do. So what we are learning to do is to create our own origami. We're going to make 24 equal-sized square. What I am looking for is equal folding. That means each of the folds or each of the design or each of the pattern will be the same. And also a radial design with the kite fold. You will be making 8 kite fold, just like this. And you are going to be making a radial design with it. So please watch the demonstration and have a great week. Hello, grade 3. Welcome to a new art unit. Today you are going to be making some origami paper. For this, you are going to need a piece of plain paper and wax crayon and scissors and your hands. To start with, you are going to fold your paper. We are going to make 8 squares out of this paper, and for today's assignment you are going to make 3 sets of this. So to start with, you are going to fold your paper in half, just like this, half, from lengthwise. And then you're going to fold it in half again. And the same thing on the other side. So you will end up with 4 columns. Now make sure you press those down. It makes a nice crease because you're gonna need those creases later. And you see, what letter is that? M. Or, oh no, that was a W. This is a W. This is an M. Perfect. So what are you gonna do next? Right now we have 4 rectangles or 4 columns. You're going to turn these columns into squares. So how are you gonna do that? You're gonna fold this triangle to the first column. Press down, and you know, 2 of these triangles will make a square. I'm gonna flip it over. We know this is going to make a square all the way along. I'm gonna flip it over. Then you're gonna do it on the other side. Again, 1 little triangle to the first column. I'm gonna flip it over to make the rest. Oops. Now the best way to know whether you have it right is to match the line at the back. Okay, once you have it, make sure it's all creased. Then you're going to take a wax crayon, and you're going to use the side, and you're going to color the whole thing. Remember to hold it down. Now the creases will help you do the cutting later, so that's why we wanted to have those creases. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. You can choose to color one side or both sides. I'm gonna do one side for this paper, but remember you have to make 3 so you can have a combination. So once you are done, then you're gonna cut. Now these lines are going to help you know where to cut. We are going to have 8 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 square. I'm gonna cut quickly. So you now have 8 sets of square. You are going to make 3 sheets of paper, just like this. But you can use different colors, or you can choose the same color. You can choose to color both sides or one side. I would recommend using different color on each side. So all red, or all blue, or all green. Next, you are going to fold them. So I have one side like this. I'm going to fold them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this corner and bring it up to the horizontal line in the middle. So first you're going to fold this in half to give yourself that horizontal line. Then you're going to take this corner along with this side and go to the middle horizontal line, just like this. I'm going to do it quickly. So you will now have 8 folded shape, and you can play with it. What do I mean? You can stack them. That looks kind of neat, like this. Ta-da! You can do this. If you do this, ooh, this looks neat. So you are going to play with the shape that you created, and then you're going to take a picture of your favorite design. We're not going to glue it, we're just going to keep it like this because we're going to play with this some more. After next week, we are going to be making more shapes to add to your design. So don't glue, just take a picture and respond on Seesaw. If you have any question, please feel free to send me an email. Have a good day.